Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel iQOO. In this video I'm going to do the Kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison between the Snapdragon 7+Gen2 processor versus Snapdragon 8+Gen2 processor. So we'll try to see how is the performance of this Snapdragon 7+Gen2 when you compare with the high-end powerful processor of Snapdragon 8+Gen2. So that's what this video is about, where I'll try to compare both phones regarding the Kinemaster video rendering speed test. And right now I'm using the OnePlus 11 device as Snapdragon 8+Gen2 device, as you can see, and it is a POCO X8 device with the Snapdragon 7+Gen2. And now I am going to the speed test comparison between these both phones, and we'll try to see overall speed test regarding the video rendering speed. So let me go to the exporting. So this is a 1080 video I'm trying to convert to the 1080. So let's see. Let me use the exact same bitrate between these both phones. So I'm trying to use the same bitrate. So the actual output size is going to be exactly same. So right now, as you can see, it's exactly close to kind of bitrate, and output size is 221 MB, as you can see clearly. And now we'll try to see the overall speed. So what you can actually expect regarding the speed test. So let's start at same time. So I'm trying to start at same time, and this is a Snapdragon 7+Gen2, and top phone is a Snapdragon 8+Gen2 processor. So OnePlus 11 versus POCO X8 device, and you can see the Snapdragon 7+Gen2 is doing pretty good job regarding the overall Kinemaster video rendering speed test. And I'm not using any kind of high performance mode, so no high performance mode is used between these both phones. And Snapdragon 7+Gen2 is doing pretty fast job, as you can see, friends, regarding the Kinemaster video rendering speed test. And it finished in 30 seconds. And now let me enable the high performance mode in the OnePlus phone, and let's try, because sometimes the OnePlus phones, they do perform using with the high performance mode only. So let's see now what the output size is going to be there, output speed. And so I did click at same time between these both phones, and Snapdragon 7+Gen2 again finishing faster than the Snapdragon 8+Gen2, as you can see, friends, clearly. So it all depends upon the optimization as well for the processor regarding the Kinemaster video rendering application. And right now this is output speed we are getting. So definitely the Snapdragon 7+Gen2 is doing pretty good, fast completing the job, as you can see here. And now anyway the POCO X8 is a winner. And now I'm going to use the 4K. So 1080 to 4K we'll try to convert. So 1080 to 4K we'll try to see how is overall experience going to be there. So will it be the same case or not, we'll try to see. So now we are trying to render the powerful 4K video output from 1080. So right now in this case both phones seems to be kind of going pretty close. So with this kind of powerful task. So this is where I think the Snapdragon 8+Gen2 is also doing good job. So from 1080 to 4K, so both processors are pretty good overall, and we'll try to see which processor will be able to complete this particular task. So from 1080 to 1080 you may not notice much difference, but if you try to export to the 4K videos, so then you might be able to notice a difference. And right now you are seeing the 7+Gen2 again finishing faster than the 8+Gen2 processor. So this is overall Kinemaster video rendering speed test comparison from 1080 to 4K between the POCO X8 versus OnePlus 11, Snapdragon 8+Gen2 versus Snapdragon 7+Gen2. So meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. This is a quick overall speed test comparison between these both processors, and the POCO X8 did finish faster than the OnePlus 11 device. Until then, stay tuned. Signing off. Thank you for watching, and bye.